Okay students, in this short video I want to teach you multiplication of decimals, so please pay attention. So what we have over here is we have, for example, I give you a simple number, 1.234 times 1, and then we know any number times with 1 multiply with 1, it's just the number itself. Okay, now and then let me increment this 1 over here become 10. You can see 2, 3, 4 times with 10. The result will be 12.34. How do you get this result? So you can see this one we have 1 0 over here, and then we need to move, if we times it with 10, then the number is just the number itself, right? So for example 1.234 times 10, this one is equal to 1.234. I break down the 10 with 1 and 10, right? Times with 1 and then times with 10. So if you see like this is the number itself, right? 1.234, and then times with 10. What does it mean by times 10? I need to move this decimal dot one step to the right hand side, so because this one is only 1 0, right? So you see I move it here. Now it become 12.34. okay, that's how we get the how do we do it. Now let me show you again, but different types. I don't know if you, it's better for you to have the moving the decimal dot to the right, or you do it like this. Let me show you. 1.234 times with 10, right? So we have this one in the ones place, this one in the tens place, in the hundreds place, and in the thousands place. Now so if you see this one is in the ones place, right? When you times 10, then it means you need to have one more, 1 0. You need to move all of this digit to the left. So right now in here the 1 is in the ones place. Then if you move one step, then this one will be in the tens place. Now and then we move the other digits also. So we move the other digits also. So in the ones place it will be 2, and then after the ones we have the decimal dot, right? And then we have the tens and we have the hundreds. So the other digit, which is 3 and 4. So I hope you can see this one, 12.34, the same result, right? 12.34. So either you move the decimal dot or you move all of these digits, but they are in different direction. So if you move the decimal dot, move to the right hand side, but if you move all of the digits, then you need to move all the digits to the left hand side. Okay, so let me show you again with more examples. For example, I have 1.234, same number, times with 100. Now and then we can see there are two zeros over here. If we move the decimal dot, then we need to move two spaces to the right hand side. So if we move it 1, 2, and then the result will be 123.4. okay, so this is the result with times with 100. If you want to use the place values and move all the digits, then it will be like this. Let me show you again. 1.234 times with 100, and then this is in the ones place, in the tens, in the hundreds, and in the thousands. Now so you see 2 0 over here means you need to move two spaces to the left hand side in this case. So if you move digit, then you need to move to the left hand side, so it will be like this. So right now it's in the ones place, right? We have tens over here and then hundreds over here. If we move two 2 spaces to the left, then these ones will move to the hundreds. Okay, so it will be 1 and then 2, 3, and then a decimal dot here, and then you have the 4 here. So the results are the same. So which one that you prefer, then you just do it like that. Okay, so let me just show you with one more examples, but I do not want to use 1000, but let me just use 2000 for example. Yeah, 1.234 times with 2000. Now, so what we can do here, we need to break down this 2000. 2000 comes from 2 times with 1000. Okay, so we do it like this. Yeah, 1.234 times with 2 times with 1000, and then 1.234 times with 2 is 2.468, and then times with 1000. Now if we move the decimal dot, then we know we need to move it three spaces to the right hand side. Okay, so we move it. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, and then the result is 2468. Okay, if we use the place values, this one the same thing, 2.468. this one is in the ones place. If you move to 3 spaces to the left, then let's just list down all the place values. Yeah, so we have ones, and then it's just tens, hundreds, and thousands. So if we move 3 steps, then we see this one right now is in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, right? Because this one times with 1000. 1003 zeros, then it means you need to take 3 steps. Yeah, in the thousands place. So the ones here, the 2 will be in the thousands place, and then it will drag all the other digit with it also. Yeah, so you have this number, and then see the 8 is in the ones place. So that's all. How do we do the multiplication of decimals? Okay, I see you again in the next video. Bye bye.